How to log into Nordstrom Employee Portal. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can easily log into the Nordstrom Employee Portal. First off, you're going to have to open up your web browser. And on your web browser, you can just search for Nordstrom Employee Login. Once you search for it, you can find this link right here, nordstrom.servicenow.com. Go to this link right here. Now you'll get directly to the login page. You just have to provide your employee username as well as your password. So I'll just quickly do that. And then once you have done that, you can just go to your password and simply enter your password. If you want to view your password, find the I button on the right side of your password field. You can just tap on it to view your password. And if you are using your personal device, you can check this box called Keep Me Signed In so that the browser remembers your username and login info. And if you're having any trouble logging in, you'll always have an option to reset password or email. So just go ahead and click on it, enter your email address. They'll send you a verification link or a code on your email. Just enter the code and create a new password, and that way you will be able to reset it. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.